With our BioDesign program, we're trying to hack the startup process. This is a 1-year paid full-time fellowship where teams of people that have never met before come together and form a digital health and medical device company and then go through our entire ecosystem.
Like all the other BioDesign programs in the country, you get a tiger team of just the right people with the right skill set, put them together and say, come up with something cool. But what they don't have and we do is the Texas Medical Center and the support of this entire ecosystem.
Speed to knowledge is what differentiates ourselves on a backdrop of the largest number of physicians and researchers in the world. When you come up with an idea, can you validate not in months, but in days? Here you can.
We form 2 teams, one medical device, one digital health. We take applications from all over the world, people with medical backgrounds, biomechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer programming, design.
We bring them in August, and the BioDesign fellows go through a boot camp. They get the whole BioDesign process in 1 month. It's a very concentrated course. Once they've gotten the education, we let them loose, essentially. We allow them to go back to the clinics, do their needs finding.
I've been able to ride with the paramedic squad of the Houston Fire Department, watch a stroke patient get picked up, follow that path of care to the emergency department of a hospital, then follow that same patient up to the neurosurgical ICU. I've been able to watch that path of care from pickup all the way through the initial surgical procedure. That opportunity is almost unheard of.
This BioDesign program really wants you to validate your idea again and again. So once you are creating the product, everybody wants that product.
They get feedback from medical center colleagues. We have people from industry who come in who help screen those concepts and who give feedback.
Mentoring these guys is easy and fun. They're passionate, they're energetic, and I may not be the right mentor for them, but the right mentor is within a mile of here. There are people that have deeper domain expertise in any field you want to find in this whole expanded ecosystem than anywhere else in the world.
I hope to expose them to our day-to-day life so that they can take that information and come up with solutions from their own perspective.
When they finally have that great need and that great concept, then we can start a company. And that's where we look at things like clinical trials, regulatory processes, manufacturing strategies, all those implementation strategies that a company needs to get funding and be successful.
We spun Alleviant out of the BioDesign Fellowship about 7 months ago. Didn't exist before that, and all of a sudden we are engaged with partners like Johnson & Johnson and been accepted to their J-Labs. We've developed a functional prototype that now we've deployed in a live animal. We've engaged partners across the regulatory, the reimbursement, the intellectual property, the engineering landscape. And when I look back and I think that we didn't even have a company 7 months ago, and now we're fully fledged and have a whole team behind us, it's amazing how much progress you can make when you have good support and a good environment to develop your product.
The companies that have evolved from the BioDesign program have been hugely successful. You look at the business plan competitions that they've won, a number of them being named to various 40 under 40 or 30 under 30. And once they emerged as a company, the success that they've had at raising capital has been somewhat shocking, and I think is just going to improve as we keep going.
We built TMC X to incubate companies. We built TMC X Plus for co-working for these companies. We have the first Center for Device Innovation in the world for Johnson & Johnson. AT&T's Foundry for digital health is here. All of the major players are now anchoring right here on this campus because of the same reason the BioDesign program is so successful. It's all here.
If you aspire to be a healthcare innovator, you want to make medical devices or biotech or digital health services, this is the time and this is the place.